Hi everybody, my name's Lottie and I make beauty and makeup videos here on YouTube, so if that sounds like something that you'd enjoy to watch, please subscribe below. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Plouise Basic Brights. I've seen them use them a lot more recently on their Instagram photos, and I've seen one that really inspired me that I really wanted to try and do, so I went out and bought the Basic Brights one, not the pastel-y coloured ones. So you can see the colours that they've got, and then they've got on the top here how to mix, like which colours to mix together to make different colours, so I'm so excited to use these. We're also going to be using the Plouise Secret Sinner palette. Yeah, I'm basically just a massive Plouise whore. I love all of her stuff. I love Plouise. If you want to adopt someone then. So we'll be using the Secret Sinner palette. I'll pop here. This is the look that we will be recreating. It's by Shannon. She works at Plouise. She's one of the senior makeup artists there, and she is... Oh, the talent of that woman is next level. Like, how? This shouldn't even be possible. So yeah, we're going to be trying to recreate this look, seeing if it is as easy to use these products as they show it. Keep watching and hopefully we'll have a super fun time. So I've just went ahead and primed my eyes with the Plouise base in shade 2. And now I'm just going to go straight in and use the Secret Sinner palette. So first of all, I'm going to be taking the shade Hooked. I'm just popping that into my crease. I'm using the Peaches and Cream PC11 brush. This palette is just so... I just love it. The colours are just so pigmented and so easy to blend. So if you don't have it, buy it. And we're going to be taking that out into the shape of a wing. Now I'm going to be taking the shade Pleasure and just popping that on, half off of the colour I've just put on to blend it out a bit. I'm using my Spectrum B06 brush. Now I'm just going to be taking the shade S&M and just popping that right on the top just to blow it all out even more. So I'm just going to go back in with the previous colours and just deepen them up until we get it as dark as we want to. Has anybody got any plans for holidays? Are you going? Have you booked one? Do you want to go somewhere? I really want to go to Australia. I'd love to go for a year, but I'm the worst at saving money. So maybe just like 6 weeks or something. Travel around. I really want to go Ibiza as well, but I literally have no friends to go with, so I can't just bop to Ibiza by myself. Bit odd. Well, this is a lot darker than the photo, but I'm kind of feeling it, you know. So once you're happy with that, you're just going to cut your crease out in a wing shape. I'll do that off camera because you don't want to see that. It will be a hot mess. So now I have cut the crease. I know it's in a little bit of a different shape to what Shannon's done, but we can work with this. Fairly packed in there. So now I'm going to be taking Banging Blue and I'll be creating the line underneath where I've cut it. Good luck to me, that's all I'd like to say. So I'm going to just take my Plouise base brush and I'm going to be putting a line on. It's not going to be neat because we can just cut it afterwards with the original base. I do know that's how Shannon did it, as I did watch the video of her doing it. So if this fucks up, then it's on you, Shannon. It's so blue. Look at that. Wet. Wet. done a pretty pretty good job here. Well, opinion time. So I used to love using the NYX Vivid Brights liners, but this is so much easier. Like, that's just gone on so easily. And I just have to set it now with blue. But the fuck, I'm impressed. Like, my makeup game is gonna be lit, cool AF. So yeah, enough of embarrassing myself. Now just gonna get a small brush. I'm just going to put the shade of Fair and pat it on top to set the base properly. Yes, I'm aware it's a different colour, but we're unique. We can do what we want. I can't wait no more. Da, 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 da. Ba, 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 ba. I need you. Sing me your sweet lullabies. Voice of an angel, I know. You don't have to tell me. Cool. So I've just set that with a Fair, and now I'm going to go back in with Base Shade 2 just to cut that, ready for me to put the pink on. Oh my god, y'all ain't ready for this. Hydration is key. So now I'm going to go in with Poppin' Pink. Just going to do the same but put a line underneath the blue with my base brush again. I'm going to put the pink right next to the blue and then we'll mix them afterwards to make a purple base. Oh my god, I'm so creative. So I've just gone and cut around the pink line. I'm keeping my head like this so that the other base doesn't transfer onto the pink. And look, I just mixed that blue and the pink and it went purple. It looks blue in that light, but it's purple. So I'm now going to be popping this all over my lid, ready for my pigment. So come up, just please appreciate this. Like, what the fuck? So this is now my base to be popping on my pigment. I'm going to be using Hocus Pocus. I'm popping that all over where I've put the purple. Can we just please...
Damn.
That's sexy.
So now on the photo, Shannon's put like a glitter line that goes under the pink and then like goes across the pink and the blue at the edge. So I'm going to be popping some eyelash glue on in a line and then putting on Peaches and Cream Gatsby. If you don't know, get to know, Peaches and Cream are the bomb. Well, Jesus Christ, that was hard. One tip, do the glitter line first before the lid, because that was a hot mess. If you can see. So I'm now just going to take the shade Addicted from the Secret Sinner palette and be popping that under my eyes and bringing it up to make the wing look more smoky. I'm just going to be taking my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk and popping that on my lower waterline. And packing Addicted on top of it. Then I'm just going to buff out the bottom with S&M. So I've just gone underneath my eye with Addicted, Rendezvous and S&M. I'm just going to be doing the rest of my face now and popping some lashes on. So this is the finished look. I've put on the tie lash Mitchell style. This is how it came out. So all in all, in my opinion, I completely and utterly recommend these coloured bases. They were so easy, so creamy, just exactly the same as the normal bases, except you can do cool AF things with them now, like make them into a liner. Thanks for the inspo, Shannon. I had a super fun time filming this, and I love how you can mix them so you can make different colours. So yeah, if you're going to buy one thing, make sure you buy those bases because they are sick. I hope you've enjoyed this little review, tutorial, whatever you want to call it, of the Plouise basic bases. I completely recommend the bases. They are definitely game changing. Like this pigment that I've got on my lid, it just looks so much better on top of a purple base, instead of having to put like, cut your crease, then put a purple on, then put like something to stick on your glue, whatever you use, so your primers, your lash glue, whatever, just shove it straight on top of a base. Voila. So thanks for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. Every little bit helps for small YouTubers like me who's just trying to start up. Leave me some comments on what you'd like to see next. I have got a few ideas of what other looks that I'd like to do, but if you've got any other ideas, please let me know, because obviously I want to create content that you all want to see. I don't want to be making videos that are going to be so boring and nobody's going to want to watch. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video.